Our How to Make a Holy Hour guide just got better. We have an updated guide that just arrived at the office, 20,000 copies, and we expect to sell out of these really quickly. So let me walk you through our How to Make a Holy Hour guide. So this Holy Hour guide, of course, includes the minute-by-minute breakdown showing you how to spend a holy hour. Here are the updates. So everybody loved our 1, 2, 3s of a holy hour. So we have made it even more helpful with direct quotes from Fulton Sheen elaborated on the 1, 2, 3s of a holy hour. 1 thing you need, 2 things that are helpful, and 3 mindsets to go into a holy hour with. That page is still here in the guide. It just has even more content. Also new, we included insights from additional favorite saints about how a holy hour impacted their life, little meditations for you to really think on during your holy hours. So if you are anyone who's wanting to start a practice of a holy hour, this is a great guide. Parishes, give this out to your OCIA classes, give this out to your confirmation classes. We have tons of bulk discounts. Head over to Holy Heroes and grab the How to Make a Holy Hour pamphlet.